Namaste, Hamisha Khushro Bhatia. I, JV Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic identification of appendicular bones. This topic belongs to the human anatomy and physiology, practical for the B Pharm first semester. Now we discuss about the human appendicular skeleton. So the identification of appendicular bones. The appendicular skeleton is composed of the bones of the upper limbs which function to grasp and manipulate objects, and the lower limbs which permit locomotion. It also includes the pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle that attach the upper limbs to the body, and the pelvic girdle that attaches the lower limb to the body. So this figure is the shoulder girdle, arms, and pelvic girdle and hand, so leg. So there are the appendicular system, and now we come to the pectoral girdle. The pectoral girdle bones provide the points of attachment of the upper limbs to the axial skeleton. The human pectoral girdle consists of the clavicle or collarbone in the anterior and the scapula or shoulder blades in the posterior. So this is the scapula and this is the clavicle, and these are the spine and scapula. So the clavicle are S-shaped bone that position the arms on the body. The clavicles lie horizontally across the front of the thorax chest, just above the first rib. These bones are fairly fragile and are to the clavicle, which can break if the force is excessive. The clavicle articulates with the sternum and the scapula. The scapula are flat and triangular bones that are located at the back of the pectoral groin. They support the muscle crossing the shoulder joint and the wrist called the spine. Runs across the back of the scapula and can easily be felt through the skin. The spine of the scapula is a good example of a bony perception. So the upper limb, humerus, this is the ulna and the radius, carpals and metacarpals and phalanges. So the articulation is any place at which two bones are joined. The humerus is the largest and longest bone of the upper limb, and the only bone of the arm. It articulates with the scapula at the shoulder and with the forearm at the elbow. The forearm extends from the elbow to the wrist and consists of two bones, the ulna and the radius. The radius is located along the lateral thumb side of the forearm and articulates with the humerus at the elbow. The ulna is located on the medial aspects pinky finger side of the forearm. It is longer than the radius. The ulna articulates with the humerus at the elbow. The pelvic girdle attaches to the lower limb of the axial skeleton. So this is the pubic arch female and this is the pelvic region. So the lower limb is the femur, patella and tibia fibula, and the tarsal and the metatarsal and pelvis. So there are the short description of this topic. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0. Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.